This is NDTV, and you are watching NDTV Prime.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey.
Woo! Okay, so my name is Rudy, and I have a confession to make, okay? I'm a huge Salman fan. Any Salman fans in the audience? Give me a cheer! Yes! Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, Salman Rushdie is this amazing writer. I just told one of my friends that I read the recent Salman book. He was like, अच्छा भाई लिखते भी हैं? मैं बोला हाँ भाई लिखते हैं. Multi-talented. Anyway, every time I tell people that I do a little bit of stand-up comedy here and there, most people ask me, "Wow, करके दिखा." And it's so irritating when someone says "करके दिखा." It makes you feel like a jukebox, right? So I go up to random people now. Hi, what do you do? I'm in sales. ये ले समोसा बेच के दिखा. What about you? Niresh Patel, Gujarati. ये ले पैसा गिन के दिखा. Anyone on Tinder over here? I didn't quite see who said yes, who said no. Anyone on Tinder? Anyone? You're on Tinder? Wow, I think I saw you on Tinder. I'm not sure. No, I don't know. I don't know. I may have swiped somewhere. Anyone else on Tinder? Any of the guys on Tinder? No? You guys should be on Tinder. Tinder's a mind-blowing app. It's a life-changing app, and now they've added filters and stuff, they've got filters. It turns demons into supermodels. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You swipe right on a girl, she turns up in real life, and you're like, wow, ye to aahat mein extra thi. Well, with that, I will try to introduce the first act of tonight. She's the most single woman in Bombay. The most eligibly single woman in Bombay. You will not even find her on Tinder, but you will find her in Three Wise Monkeys. Please welcome Trupti Khamkar.
Thank you so much. Thanks for calling me the most eligible singer. Yes. Hi guys, I'm Trupti. Hi, I'm a female. Yeah, you're watching Dane Funny, huh? Okay, I'm 34 years old. Woo! Yeah, hell, and I'm single. So recently I met this guy called Karan. And the first thing he said was, you know what? Every time you have coffee with me, you will be having coffee with you know who. I know why he's single. And then he continues. Nice. So? Karan Trupti. I know. Nice. I'm become your MA. Auntie told me. Nice. So 20 minutes into this nice conversation, I'm like, listen, I have to go for a meeting. You like me, nah? You're shy? Okay, message me. Message you for what? So I've like mastered the skill of going out for coffees. I found this lovely coffee shop very close to my house because I go there perpetually every day. There's this guy called Sebastian, he serves coffee. And now he's a friend, so he tells me, Madam, kal ka dhokla was not good. No, like you guys might just feel it's like a half an hour session. No. It's preceded by a 2-hour-long ritual. It starts with what to wear. Yeah, a girl of my shape and size is advised to wear a Victorian dress. It's tight from here, falls down like that. Anarkali? Yeah. Mummy says, barik diste, ghalaitso. I don't know from where I look barik. No, seriously, I feel like a circus ka tambu in that anarkali. Yeah, I just turned 34 last month. And one of my birthday messages said, listen, Trupti, you're single till you're 35. Then you're unmarried. Like it's over. Khatam. Game khatam. It's like that one bell that rings 15 minutes before your exam gets over. Na warning bell. Na, matlab, then uske baad wo supplement bhi nahi banta hai. Like, panic ho jate. Ab kya? So now that is happening. Like, yuddha dharatal pe ladke dhoonde ja rahe. They're finding men for me to marry. You know, and I'm going out for coffees, boys are coming out for chai. You know the cha poa session, anybody done? It's the weirdest. It's the weirdest because there's a random guy sitting in your drawing room with his full family like mummy, daddy, didi, jijaji, bhaiya, bhabhi, bachche, everybody. And वो तो सब ठीक है. There's this one extra person sitting there, the bua saas. She is the judge for the evening. She is the one you got to please. You know, उसके दिमाग में एक स्कोर कार्ड चलता है. पोहा कैसा बना on the scale 1 to 10. अगर भाई पोहे पे कोकोनट ही नहीं है. शेव डाला गार्निश के लिए. How endless is that? And one more like, हाँ, thank God उसने चाय में शक्कर डाल के ऐसा clockwise घुमाया. मतलब लड़की का चाल चलन अच्छा है. Parameters, man. Like there's stages, na? There's stages to find a man. Like stage 1, you're 20 to 25, single, finding a match. Anybody 20, 25, single, finding a match, give me a cheer. Nobody on stage 1. Whoa, thank God. I'm feeling so cool about it. So stage 1, 20 to 25, single, finding a match is like a buffet. मतलब सूप है, सैलड है, स्टार्टर है, मेन कोर्स में चाइनीज, जापानीज, मुगलाई, कॉन्टिनेंटल. मतलब तंगड़ी कबाब से लेके सुशी तक, चैन फूड भी अवेलेबल है, डूड. डिजर्ट यहाँ से वहाँ तक, जहाँ तक देखो वहाँ तक मीठा है. खाने का खाओ, नहीं चला का फेंक दो. कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. मस्त. Stage 2, you're 25 to 30, single, finding a match. कोई है? है. आवाज करना बहन थोड़ा सा. Nice. You're stage 2, single, finding a match. It's an a la carte. It's a menu card. You take your time to decide what you want to eat. आराम से, कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. पर एक बार ऑर्डर हो गया ना, हो गया कि ओवर है. Stage 3, you're 30 and beyond, single, finding a match. Anybody? Woo! Hey, yeah, my stage. It's a langar. जल्दी से आके बैठ जा, कोई और बैठेगा ना तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. Oh, it's difficult, man. It's very difficult. It's like, correct me if I'm wrong. Any married people in the house? Married people? Whoa, sir, correct me if I'm wrong, you know. But it's like college admission. Like the number of applications is directly proportional to the desperation level that you have to have that one seat. मतलब कॉलेज में एडमिशन चाहिए तो आप फॉर्म भरते हो जेवियर्स में, ऐसा ड्रीम कॉलेज. देन यू से लेट मी बी रियलिस्टिक, एक मिठी बाई में भी भर देता हूँ. फिर सोचते हो दोनों में से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा. सो यू फिल अ फॉर्म इन गोखले व्हिच इज नेक्स्ट टू बोरीवली डंपिंग ग्राउंड. आई एम दैट डेस्परेट टू मैरी. आई एम ऑन भारत मैट्रिमोनी, जीवन साथी, शादी.com. आई एम ऑन ट्रूली मैडली, टिंडर, हिंज, हैपन. I am so desperate that I'm standing here doing comedy saying, hi, I'm Trupti, I'm 34, I'm single, my number is 9818. मतलब एक मर्द दे दो शादी के लिए यार, एक मर्द. I'm not asking for more, यार. Just one guy. Like how difficult is it, yeah? Thank you guys, you've been a lovely audience. Please give it up for Rudy. Thank you so much. Oh, no, where? Oh.
Give it up for Trupti Khamkar, everyone. Woo! That was Dim Funny #1. You guys have fun? You guys have fun? Yeah, yeah. I see a lot of laughter. That's good. That's good. So, any fans of like a lot of TV shows, like American TV shows? Any huge fans? Game of Thrones, right? Game of Thrones. Yeah, it's got season 4, 5, 6, 7. They name their shows very well, right? They've got sequential show names like 4, 5, 6, 7. They use numbers, right? We don't do that. We're too creative for that. You know? Shh, koi hai. फिर कोई है. अभी भी कोई है. 4 साल से खड़ा है तो डेफिनेटली भूत है. Well, moving on to the next performer. And I would like you guys to welcome her with a lot of applause and enthusiasm. Come on, guys. Please welcome Jia Sethi.
My name is Jia and I'm a Punjabi, but I look like a Nepali. The only thing Punjabi about me are my PAA, Punjabi Auntie Arms. And every time I do this, in case you can't see my Punjabi Auntie Arms, every time I do this, my dad's like, haath niche karna. I'm like, Auntie. I'm also a middle child. Any middle kids in the house, give me a cheer. Wow, that's loud. You know, we are like the yellow light on the traffic signal. Nobody cares for us. Firstborns in the house, give me a cheer, firstborns. The golden children of the family, yeah? The ones that told us we're adopted. third bonds. Oh, yeah, nice. You know, I couldn't tell my younger brother he's adopted because I knew it's a lie, right? So I told him he's a mistake. He's like, okay, I'm like, chal batati hu. So, you know, growing up with these two guys was really hard. Both of them, super thin. Elder brother, flat stomach. Younger brother, concave stomach. I had both their stomachs. So we'd be sitting on the dinner table eating dinner. My dad would look at my brothers and be like, Beta, if you finish your food, I'll take you to Disneyland. I'll let you shave before you're 18. I'll get you a gory meme. I'm like, wow, Dad, if I finish their food, what'll I get? A new weighing scale. Because you broke the last one. Nice. You know, women have so many do's and don'ts, right? Like, don't talk to boys. Don't wear a short skirt. Don't breathe. Sometimes. Or like, you know, do puja. You know, wear a salwar kameez. Carry a bag. I hate carrying a bag. Women that hate carrying a bag, give me a cheer. Yes. You know, carrying a bag for a woman is like carrying a handkerchief for a guy. Mummy tells you to take it. And if you're someone who likes to carry a bag or a handkerchief, then you have a new one for every single day of the week. Boys to have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday written on their handkerchief. If you lose Wednesday, mummy will be like, Wednesday किधर गया? कौन सी लड़की को दिया? शादी कब कर रहा है? You know, so every woman has these 3 essential bags that she has to have. I mean, women have thousands of bags, but these 3 must-have bags they have to have, okay? The first is the clutch bag, in which her mobile phone fits directly in her boyfriend's pocket. Her money, no, she has no money. And at the end of the day, her bag also goes in her boyfriend's pocket because she needs her hands to dance. The second is the sling bag, or I'd like to call the Wagoner car bag. Sasta and tikau. You know, this bag she can easily maneuver in the Zara sale. And then when she gets home, nicely it fits in her cupboard, no problem. Parking is not a problem. And everything fits in the bag. On a rainy day, even Nana Nani can get in, no problem. The third is the tote bag. Yes, or I'd like to call the dumpster truck bag. Because once something goes in, never comes out. You could find Newton's apple in there. That's it from me, you guys. Please put your hands together for Rudy Singh.
My name is Pavi, and if you find my jokes funny, please laugh. And if you don't, then laugh at yourself because you didn't get it. I wasn't very ambitious as a kid, okay? Zero. Like uncles, aunties would walk up to me and ask, Beta, bade hoke kya banna chahte ho? And I'd have this glint in my eye. And I'd be like, main badi hoke housewife banna chahti hu.